Hello friends, due to the season change, many of us get fatigue, cold, cough, allergy and flu. People also get fever with cold and cough. Normally, if you take the medications also, still it doesn't seem to work. People should try to avoid medications at this time and check your vitamins intake. It is very necessary to have an optimum level of vitamin D. If vitamin D is in the normal level in the body, other vitamins are also absorbed. So it is very necessary at first case that you should take vitamin D.
गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत
Friends, I am sharing a recipe, a homemade recipe of the miracle kada. I call it miracle because you will yourself experience miraculous results in cold, cough, fever and flu. Just take this kada and you can find so much of change after even one time intake. This kada can be extremely helpful for the people who are suffering from the side effects of corona, because this kada will increase the oxygen intake. It will make your lungs stronger and so it will be very useful for the other issues of the body. Otherwise also one can take this kada once in a week to maintain the health. Take 6 leaves of Har Shringar plant, also known as night jasmine and parijat. It is found very commonly. This plant grows 33 feet high. So just pluck 6 leaves of this plant for one time kada. Take 5 pieces of black pepper corn. Take a small piece of ginger. Take 5 tulsi leaves. Mix all the 4 ingredients ginger, tulsi, pepper and parijat leaves in 4 cups of water. Now boil this 4 cups of water and just make it into 1 cup. When 1 cup of water remains, your kada is ready. Now you can have it when it is warm enough to drink. One should take this kada empty stomach in the morning and evening. You see the results immediately after taking this. Now your kada is ready. This can also be consumed by people who are having COVID. This kada has given miraculous results in the COVID time to many people. Friends, do try this and share your experience and share this video with your near and dear ones. Smile thanks, life designer Taranpreet Kaur.